This is my 1994 little pickup that I bought new in 1993 in November. I paid $9,400 for it. And it's lasted me very, very, very long. It's never been in a wreck. It's 30 years old though. It's my baby. And I could buy a brand new one like this other one over here, but I just like my baby. What this video is going to be about is I had a trunk latch problem right here. The original one lasted about 29 years before something broke inside. So what I did was I went on to a website and I bought this for 15 bucks. And you can see where it's broken right there. It's just really cheap Chinese junk, plastic. The thing about this, we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you a good latch and another latch. Is that this latch has to pull a wire that pulls on a truck stop right here, and the other side goes all the way over to right here. There's a lot of leverage being put right here, even if the truck is in very good condition, or the latch, the back of the bed. So I want to show you what problems I've had and what to buy or not to buy. This has lasted me about 6 months, and then it cracked right here, and I haven't been able to get it open. So what I did was I ordered a spare like this, and then I found a metal spare, and I've ordered them. I've got the metal spare, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to replace this, and also what you can do to have longevity on the little latch. My little truck I think it's only got 70,000 miles on it. It's just a great little truck. Doesn't have power electric or anything like that. The only thing that's gone wrong with is the dash cracked a little bit. The gas gauge doesn't quite work. Speedometer just quit. But from what I can say is that for a Toyota truck that lasted 30 years, I mean, I can't complain for this little 94. And I'll give you some advice on some other things that has to do with the latch. And the weird thing about this truck is I've had this parked in a store or out here. I've had people knock on my door and say, "Yeah, man, hey, you want to sell that? Those are gold-plated. They run forever. You know, you want to sell it? You want to sell it?" I'm like, "No, it's my baby. I'm not going to sell it." But one day I'm probably going to have to go and get a newer one. But the newer ones are so big. And these used to be like birds in the sky. They were everywhere. And now it's rare. Hi, baby. And here's my cat. My neighbor's cat, anyway. That's a Balinese Siamese. Come here, Lunar. Lunar. She's named after the moon. That cat right there, a kitten, is $800. Come here. Let's see. Are you ready for your close-up, Mr. DeMille? Okay, now we'll go and look at the latches.